It's Myra here. It's Ainur here. It's Ola here. And today we are going to be opening a gift we got from Art&Craft Lahore. I won a competition, an art competition. I don't know, maybe I was for a second. So we got this gift and we're going to open it in this video. We thank you, Art of My Heart, for running the competition, and Arts and Crafts of Lahore for sending us the gift. So let's open it. Let's all open it today. First, me too. Okay, but okay, you can open up the tape, and she can open up the wrapping paper and everything. No, don't move it like that. Okay, now you will take out the tape off. No, I'm cutting it in. No. Come on. It's okay. Okay, there's some tape. Come on, you take it.
Careful with the scissors.
Yeah, we need to catch it. No. Okay, let me turn that from it.
Turn it back.
I think we can other side under the camera. Wait, it's getting off. Yeah. I can see what's in there. So hard. No, I have no idea. I think it will be some art supplies or something. Yeah, me too. I think so. Because it's an art competition after all. It's not getting off. Can I see this? No, I won't. Okay, let's get it from the back. No, it's not. It's okay. Let's do it from here. It's not getting up. Okay, I said Mom do it. No, Mom. I know how to do it. Alright. Okay, let's see how she do it. Let's take the sticking down. Here's the room. Here's the wrapping paper. We got it out. Got it. Let me help you. Whoa, this is so hard. Okay, there's some more. Okay. We need to take this out together. Help us. This out. Whoa, this is so hard. Wait. I know. Wait, there's some more tape here. Wait, there's some more tape here. There's some more tape here. It's opening. Okay. Wait. Turn it. I can't. Wait. It's a hole. It's a hole here. Okay. Oh, you got it? Wow. Very big one on. Wait, don't do like that. It's not getting out from me. Okay, I'm getting it out. Get it out with the scissors. Mom will do it. No. She can do it. It's not getting out. I got it. There you go. Look at it. Be careful with the scissors. There's some more tape. I want. Out. Come on. I'll cut it. It's getting out. Just keep doing it from here. Get out the tape. How much tape is it? Yeah, how much? It's getting out. Yeah. I think we have to turn it over. Okay, we need to get some tape out from here.
Be careful.
It's getting out from here. Yeah. I think we have to turn it. You get it.
But you need to be careful.
Okay, it's opening up. I can't do it. Mom, can you do it? Yeah, can you do it? Okay, guys, Mom is gonna do it. Sit down, everybody. Oh yeah. It's her birthday. And what is it? And the see what's in there. Yay! Let's see. I'm gonna open it. Wait a second. What's this? I'll pick it up. Open it. Okay, what is it? I knew it. What? I knew it. Let's open it. It's a sharpening thing. So, what What is it? A crayon. A crayon. This is our watercolor pad. And this is to color, in color. Drawing, you know. I just love these things. I'm going to get this purple thing. What is this? Oh, yeah. It's like this. Whoa, we have this kind of crayon. We have this. Right? What is this, Mom? Whoa, these colors. What is this? I think this. I know what this is. What is it? Wait. Let's see. Hey, Mom. Other things. Daddy made this. Wait, what is this? Let's take the wrap frame paper. Yeah. Let me see the crayon. Wait. Guys. The blue one. Let me open it. What is this? It's a sticker sheet. I knew there was something. The noodles. Let's take the sticker sheet out. It looks like our pad. We got this color. Wait. What is this? It's a stapler, I think. It can make print. I know this. Guys, look. It can make. I opened a sticker sheet. Look, guys. It made a strawberry. I want to make it too. Sorry. Mom, here you go. And here we go. So, guys, we got this coloring set and this sticker. Wow, it's such a cute. I want to try. This is how we open it and look. I want to try it. Wait a second. I can try. Come on. And we got this strawberry mix. Can I drop? Yeah. Please. So wait, what? You're like a crazy right now. No, I want to try. Let's put it right. I want to. I'm serious. Yeah, I'm serious. I'm serious. Thank you, Art&Craft, for sending us the gift. We love it very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.